Every penetration through the Solitex Extasana membrane, whether cables, conduits or pipes, must be permanently and individually sealed to maintain the integrity of your airtight and weathertight layer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use grommets from the ROFLEX and KAFLEX range to make sealing of all types of penetrations easy. KAFLEX Mono is designed for round cables and round cables only. For flat cables, like twin and earth cables, use KAFLEX posts. This grommet is designed so the tape can adapt perfectly to the uneven face of the cable. KAFLEX Multi is specifically designed for multiple cable penetrations at one point. Use the nail punch to punch the amount of holes you will need to create a perfect seal. Feed each individual cable through the pre-punched holes in the KAFLEX Multi grommet, then press the entire rubber surface flush to the membrane. Use TESCON EXTORA to seal around the perimeter of the grommet, ensuring overlaps of at least 50 mm between strips. Start taping from the bottom up, making sure the tape overlaps in the shingle pattern. For round pipe penetrations, use a ROFLEX grommet that matches the pipe's external diameter. Slide the ROFLEX grommet over the pipe and press it flush against the membrane. Then use TESCON EXTORA tape to seal the perimeter of the grommet. Remember to apply the tape in a shingled pattern, bottom edge first, then sides, and finally the top. Use the press fix tool to ensure complete adhesion. For smaller round pipes, you can use ROFLEX 20 or 50 to fit the correct diameter. Push the grommet opening around the pipe, then make sure it is flush with the membrane. Then seal the perimeter with TESCON EXTORA tape in a shingle pattern. Remember, every penetration through your membrane has to be individually sealed using the appropriate ROFLEX or KAFLEX grommet.